Before you rush to add the DEWALT to your toolkit, there are a few surprising downsides you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The DEWALT 620 is a cordless plunge router designed to deliver the power and performance of a corded tool with the convenience of cordless operation. Its robust 2/4 peak horsepower brushless motor ensures consistent cutting performance, capable of handling bits up to 2½ inches in diameter. The variable speed dial allows users to adjust the speed between 11,000 and 23,000 RPM, providing versatility for various applications. Aesthetically, the router features DEWALT's signature yellow and black color scheme, exuding a professional and durable appearance. The ergonomic design includes comfortable handles with a plunge lock lever and a variable speed dial within easy reach, facilitating seamless operation. Dual LEDs illuminate the work surface, enhancing visibility in low light conditions. One of the standout features is the integrated dust collection system with airlock compatibility, which efficiently captures up to 97% of dust when cutting grooves in particle board. This feature not only keeps the workspace clean but also contributes to a healthier working environment. Additionally, the anti-rotation system senses excessive rotational motion and shuts down the tool to prevent potential accidents, enhancing user safety. Priced at approximately $350 for the bare tool, the DEWALT positions itself in the premium segment of cordless routers. Considering its powerful performance, advanced safety features, and cordless convenience, it offers substantial value for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. For the latest offers and pricing, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: higher price point compared to some competitors. Battery and charger not included. Slightly top-heavy with larger batteries and dust collection attachments. No included edge guide. Pros: powerful 2/4 peak HP brushless motor. Cordless convenience with 20V max XR battery compatibility. Efficient dust collection system. Advanced safety features with anti-rotation system. Ergonomic design with intuitive controls. Dual LEDs for enhanced visibility. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile cordless plunge router, the DEWALT is worth considering. Check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions about this tool.